Oh my God, that's crazy. So the chart today is crazy.
Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same.
Hi guys, here's me, Anna. A bit excited. I don't know why, but I feel a bit excited about the strategy that we're gonna be having. Sometimes when you go back to the basics, when you go back to the best things that have been actually working for you for a while, you're just like, let's meet again. Or just let's meet again. And maybe this is quite the same situation. Let's see, just let's see. That's us. Just getting back. 1 minute, 700 currency pairs and biggest payouts. It's the morning, but I'm already tired. That's the real life. Adult life. 10 seconds and then we're going with the 8x. Kind of hate it already. Okay, gonna be using that. That was the plan. Envelopes. I always hated it. So it's not that. It's getting more extremely wide or extremely narrow. Sometimes it's working like okay, as you know, like moving average. That's the max. And then we're going with the MACD. God, don't let me ruin it. And smaller. Smaller is better. When I go with the bigger periods, I'm really struggling. This is it. Let's make it fast, let's make it profitable, and let's make it easy. Let's go. Look at this MACD. Oh my God. You know that always I am saying, if you have the long trend with small candles going slowly, you need to go to the same tendency. And we had no signals of changing, and maybe the line getting a little bit closer, and that's it. And maybe the candles, I actually could see that the candles turned to be green, but that was actually a risk that I made. And I'm even surprised that it's that fast because I was expecting we're gonna get lower, and then maybe a little bit upward. So we actually saw it. We saw how these trends are ending, because I told you many times before that we need some specific signals to understand that this long trend are gonna be ended. So we didn't have it, but we were fine. I don't know. It's funny. The mass with the 8x. A little bit mass actually with the MACD for a while, and you can understand why. Look at these candles. Oh, they're switching, they're jumping, so we don't expect much also. And now I'm gonna say once again, I would recommend to go upward, but I made my bet for the downward trend because I can see with the MACD, if I'm being honest, that we are kinda not getting on the real distance. So we are still close and we have chances that we may get crossed. And we just made it. Oh, this orange candle that's crazy. So the chart today is crazy. I don't know, maybe it's good that we are going with this type of strategy, because even with this really nicely working indicators, we just like, what's going on? I think I am kind of exhausted and I don't have my emotions. You know, I cannot be really glad. I cannot be really mad. I'm just like, okay. How to say that? Me personally, think that it's the big downward trend. And we had this inconvenience, we had this a little bit rising, but then it's gonna be, what is going on? But then it's gonna be falling once again. I think like that. Let's see. And you can see that it's going. Where is the crossing? MACD. Oh, that was, look at, no, it's rising. Let's not make the same mistakes. That's the that's the highest point. I don't want to hear nothing. That's the highest point. That's the highest point. And thanks God. Thanks God. I feel like I have some knowledges. I feel I can be an expert. Like, you know, okay, I could see that it's gonna be just going on like that. 6,000. Sometimes when you're concerned all about the charts and you're just putting up all of the bets, at the end of it, you're just like, oh, this is just confirm it. Confirm. I want to take it out. Copy, paste, and confirm. That's it. Maybe it's kind of mixed feelings, but it's because of me, not because of you, not because of the strategy, because the strategy is just fine. It actually working really nice. And just as I told you, in some of the cases, the market were really crazy because we have seen the same levels or switching and jumping. So it's not normal. It's not what we do expect and welcome. And handling that with that strategy means the strategy is really cool. Want to have more strategies? You know all of that, right? You know where to find me, below this video or just in my bio. I'm going to be sitting here and waiting.